Hello everyone. In our last video, we had discussed about the activity coefficients models for liquids. We are discussing these models for simple liquids or pure liquids. So in our last video, we had discussed the one parameter two suffix Margulis equation, and today we are going to discuss about the two parameter three suffix Margulis equation. And this equations means two parameter three suffix Margulis equation. This equation are applicable for liquids for which when GE upon x1 x2 RT is plotted versus x1 at fixed temperature. So what is important over here, the temperature should be fixed, a straight line is obtained. So in the previous equation, Margulis equation, हमने कहाँ draw किया था, we had draw the graph between the ln gamma 1 or ln gamma versus x1, and we get the curves, right? And both the curves are same. You can see over here these images of curve is same, right? Here when you draw the graph between GE x1 x2 RT versus x1, you should get a straight line, right? You should get a straight line at fixed temperature, right? So this is very important, and this equation only applicable when you draw the graph between GE upon x1 x2 RT versus x1. You should get straight line. Okay, so for such liquids, so we have this relation GE upon RT x1 x2 is equals to bx1 plus ax2. So B and A are here parameters, right? Two parameters, and x1 x2 is mole fractions, right? Mole fractions of any binary solution. Okay. So now rearrange this. So GE upon RT, just take x1 x2 here, bx1 plus ax2. Okay. Now just multiplied by n both side. Therefore we get n GE upon RT here. Now we know that for n x1 is equals to n1 upon n and x2 is equals to n2 upon n. So this is the number of moles of component 1 upon total number of moles, and similarly here. So in place of n1 we can put x1, we can put n1 upon n and n2 upon n. B x1 in place of x1, n1 upon n plus a n2 upon n. So n, let's cancel this. So n, here it is b n1 upon n plus a n2 upon n. So just n क्या आ जाएगा, कॉमन आ जाएगा. So n1 upon n2, sorry, n1 n2 upon n square. Here we have b n1 plus a n2, open the bracket, and then we differentiate with respect to n1. So n1 n2, b n1 square n2 upon n square plus a n1 n2 square n square, and here we have n GE upon RT, right? Now first what we do, we just differentiate with respect to any one component, because we want to know the behavior of both the component in the solution. Okay, so first we just differentiate. Let's take, this is the equation number 2, this one is the equation number 1. So you differentiate the equation number 2 with respect to n1, right, and keep temperature, pressure and n2 constant. So when we differentiate this, dabba n GE upon RT, here it is RT dabba n1, here temperature, pressure and n2 is constant. Now Here we apply again, we differentiate this equation by u by v rule. So differentiate this. So first b n1 square का 2n1, n2 is constant and n square is also constant, minus, then minus, now b n1 square is remain, means u टर्म जो ऊपर वाला टर्म है वो क्या रहेगा, कांस्टेंट रहेगा, और सिर्फ नीचे वाले टर्म को आप डिफरेंशिएट करोगे. सो दिस होल टर्म इज कांस्टेंट एंड n स्क्वायर का क्या हो जाएगा 2n एंड n स्क्वायर का होल स्क्वायर. यू नो व्हाट इज u by v रूल. आई जस्ट यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ मैं u by v रूल. सो फर्स्ट व्हाट वी डू, कीप v कांस्टेंट एंड डिफरेंशिएट u, right? Then minus u is constant, differentiate v, and then v square. So this is the formula for differentiation. So similarly, this is the first part. Similarly, you can differentiate this also. So plus a, right? n1 ka 1, n2 square is remain constant, and n square here, minus a. Now जो ऊपर वाला टर्म है वो पूरा कांस्टेंट रहेगा एंड नीचे वाले टर्म को हम डिफरेंशिएट कर देंगे. सो दैट विल बी 2n, राइट? दिस इज, इट इज नॉट, इट्स अ n स्क्वायर, ओके, एंड देन n स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर, राइट? नाउ जस्ट ओपन द ब्रैकेट. आई जस्ट रिमूव दिस. सो डाबा n ge अपॉन rt, डाबा n1, temperature, pressure, and n2. See here we have 2b n1 n2 n square upon n raised to the power 4 minus b n1 square 2 n2 n upon n raised to the power 4 plus a n2 square n square upon n raised to the power 4 minus a n1 n2 square 2n upon raised to the power n raised to the power. And we know this term, we have already discussed in our last video. So this term will be equal to ln gamma 1. Okay, now just balance it. So in n square, here it is square q square square and q. So I just write here ln gamma 1 is equals to 2b n1 n2 upon n square minus 2b n1 square n2 upon nq plus a n2 square upon n square minus 2a n1 n2 square upon nq. So what we do over here, we just replace n1 upon n by x1, right? n1 upon n by x1 and n2 upon n by x2. So just replace everywhere. So 2b, this is x1 x2 minus 2b x1 square x2 plus a, this is x2 square minus 2a x1 x2 square. So 2b x1 x2 is common, then we have 1 minus x1 plus a x2 square minus 2a x1 x2 square. Okay, and we know that for any binary solution x1 plus x2 is equals to 1, then x2 is equals to 1 minus x1. So in place of 1 minus x1 we can put x2. So here 2b x1 x2 square plus a x2 square minus 2a x1 x2 square. So x2 square सभी जगह से common आ रहा है. So what we do, we just take x2 common. So ln gamma 1 is equals to x2 square is common. Then what we have, क्या बचेगा 2b x1 plus a minus 2a x1, right? Now from here also x2 square, you can keep a as it is plus 2x1 common ले लो इन दोनों में से. So then you will have b minus a. So this is the equation, right? So this is the relation which we get in this 2 parameter 3 suffix Margulis equation. So we have, you can see over here, 2 parameters, a and b are the 2 parameters, and 3 suffix because the power of polynomial is 3. When you multiply it by this, so that will be go to the 3 after conversion, right? So this is the relation, final relation which we get from 2 parameter 3 suffix Margulis equation. Okay, so this is the equation number 3. You can also write this equation for activity of component 2. So here you will get x1 square, in place of a you will get b plus 2x2 a minus b. So when you differentiate with respect to n2 instead of n1 and keep temperature, pressure and n1 is constant and repeat the whole process, and then you will get ln gamma 2 is equals to x1 square b plus 2x2 a minus b. So it shows the activity of second component in the solution, and this relation shows the activity of component 1 in the solution. Now it can be seen that in case of infinite dilution of component 1, infinite dilution of component 1, x1 tends to 0 and x2 tends to 1, right? So infinite dilution of component 1, that means x1 आपका कहाँ जा रहा है, 0 की तरफ जा रहा है, और x2 कहाँ जा रहा है, 1 की तरफ जा रहा है. So ln gamma 1 क्या हो जाएगा, that means gamma 1 कहाँ जाएगा, gamma 1 infinity, right? गामा 1 कहाँ जाएगा, अगर x1 0 हो रहा है तो वहाँ पर क्या होगा, इन्फिनिटी हो जाएगा. गामा 1 कहाँ जाएगा, इन्फिनिटी की तरफ जाएगा, and therefore ln gamma 1 infinity will be equal to a. Similarly, in case of infinite dilution of component 2, ln gamma 2 infinity is equal to b. So this is all about 2 parameter 3 suffix Margulis equation. In our next video, we will discuss the Van Laar equation, and then we will solve some numerical problems based on 1 parameter, 2 parameter and Van Laar equation. गेट में भी इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन में भी इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो वी विल सॉल्व एंड वी विल डिस्कस दीज क्वेश्चंस.